The National Weather Service in Cedar Rapids has issued a winter storm warning until 6 p.m. Wednesday Central Standard Time for the following counties in Iowa: Johnson County, Iowa. Until 6 p.m. Wednesday, the winter storm watch is no longer in effect. A winter storm warning means that 6 or more inches of snow is expected. This will make travel dangerous or impossible. Only travel in an emergency and take a winter survival kit. Timing: snow will spread across the area by late evening. Snow accumulations of 6 to 8 inches. Wind north 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour late Tuesday. Visibilities: visibility less than 1/2 of a mile tonight and Tuesday. Impacts: snow and drifting snow will create hazardous travel conditions due to snow-covered roadways and poor visibilities. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for later updates and warnings as the storm develops.